Welcome to Education for All. In this video, we will be discussing about CBSE Class 9 2020-2021 Science Subject Unit 1. The topic are elements, compounds, and mixtures. So what is a matter? Anything that occupies space and has weight is a matter. Example: pencil, mango, air, water, etc. Pencil occupies space and has weight, so it is a matter. Similarly, mango, air, and water also occupy space and has weight, so they are matters. What is not a matter then? Anything which doesn't have weight or occupy space are not a matter. Example like feeling of sadness and happiness, thinking, smell of perfume, love, hat, hot and cold. They are not matters because they do not occupy space and has no weight. What is matter made up of? They are made up of particles. What happens if we break chalk into smaller pieces as much as possible? We will get so many small particles, and these small particles cannot be broken down further. And these small particles is called element. What is element? As smallest particles which cannot be broken down further. That means as smallest particles which cannot be broken down anymore. That is an element. Example: hydrogen, which is denoted by H, oxygen, which is denoted by O, carbon, which is denoted by C. Types of elements. There are three types of elements. The first one is metals. How would you identify whether any matter is metals or non-metals or metalloids? So we can identify metals by it's a substance which conducts electricity. Example like iron, copper, aluminum, zinc, etc. Non-metals. These are matters which do not conduct electricity. Example: carbon, sulfur, phosphorus, hydrogen and oxygen, etc. Metalloids. The metalloid shows the characteristics of both metals and non-metals. Example: boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, etc. Give an example of any matter made up of only one type of element. What will happen if we add one hydrogen with another hydrogen? We will get hydrogen gas. You can see one hydrogen plus another hydrogen give H2, which is hydrogen gas. Similarly, one oxygen adding with another oxygen gives oxygen gas O2. And these matter are called pure substance. What is pure substance? Any matter which is made up of only one type of element or particles. Example: hydrogen gas, oxygen gas. Hydrogen gas is a pure substance because hydrogen gas is made up of only hydrogen. Similarly, oxygen gas is made up of only one type of element, that is oxygen, so they are pure substance. What is impure substance? Any substance which is made up of different types of particles or elements or compounds. That means they are not made up of one type of elements. Example like air, milk, juice, etc. Air is a mixture of carbon dioxide, oxygen gas, nitrogen gas, methane, etc. What will happen if we add two or more elements? Let's see. We will get compounds. How? So if we add one element carbon with another element oxygen, we get carbon dioxide. Similarly, if we add one hydrogen with another oxygen, we get water. That means both carbon dioxide and water is a compound. What is compound? When we add two or more elements, we get a compound. Example, carbon dioxide, water, etc. There are two types of compounds. Number one, inorganic compounds. These are compounds which is mostly obtained from non-living things like common salt, marble, washing soda, baking soda, carbon dioxide, ammonia. These are compounds which is obtained from non-living things. The second one is organic compounds. These are the compounds which are obtained from living things like plants and animals, like methane, alcohol, sugar, oils and fats, etc. They are obtained from living things. So they are organic compounds. What will happen if we add two or more elements or compounds together? We will get a mixture. Example, if we add salt with water, we get salty water. That means salty water is a mixture. Air is a mixture because there are different types of gases like carbon dioxide, methane, oxygen gas present in the air. Therefore, air is a mixture. Similarly, milk and mixture of oil and water is an example of a mixture. So here is an assignment for all of you, dear students. The first one, write the difference between elements and compounds. The second, write the difference between compounds and mixture. Number third, write the difference between metals and non-metals. Number four, write the difference between pure and impure substances.